What's up, beautiful people? It's Haley. I don't know how the quality is of my face right now because I'm wearing these glasses, but I am going to a 21st Century Transportation conference for the visually impaired slash blind in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and I'm taking you with me. So I don't know what editing is, and I've never vlogged before, ever. I've tried, but damn it, I'm gonna do it. So I'm really excited to take you guys with me. I get to ride a self-driving shuttle, tour Amok City. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be amazing. Hotels are a thing too. I'm so excited, and I'm taking you with me. So strap the fuck in and let's go. I'm excited. I'll see your faces soon. Hi guys, so I'm back and I'm at my hotel, and day one was crazy and it was great. We had fajitas for dinner. I don't know if you need that information or not, but we did. We also had some games, some live music. It was a bunch of fun. I have little pictures and clips on my phone of everything, so I'm just gonna dump that. So if you are like, what? We went from games to music to this to... yeah. It's been crazy, and you're about to see that. So I will see you at the end of day 2.
Cannot shred our artistic content. Could you wrap of rain? I want to fall. Anxiety renders me. Mended plans will prevail, and I will never fail. I'm alive again, I feel it deep within. It's so pure and I can't control it. I'm walking through the door, watching on my shore, but I keep moving. Like static mind of what you can't rewind. Let's leave this all behind. I'm alive tonight.
I hate you.
I
I don't wanna see your face. Desire, despiser, never, never. I love you, I hate you. I don't wanna see your face. Desire, despiser, never, never.
Superior emotion, I find desolation. I am not what you are. I am running free. Goodbye. Yeah.
Hey guys, so day 2 has come to a close. It's been amazing, and yeah, I'm being the classy person that I am and filming in the hotel bathroom because it has the best lighting. What can I say? I don't know, but it's been awesome. We had an amazing business luncheon with a lot of leaders in the autonomous vehicle field. I've had the opportunity to talk to someone, I believe I don't know that he owns the company, but he works with a company called Aptiv, which works with BMW to pretty much make self-driving BMWs. It's just been amazing, and to be honest, I really didn't know what to do with myself because I'm not used to having like 4 forks set out and like 3 glasses. I don't know, I'm not used to it. But I think I did okay with the whole eating like a civilized person thing. And then we got to go have some fun glancing and putzing around and playing around with 3D printers and things that have been made by 3D printers. So that was fun. I'm gonna put some clips of that, just me holding some things that have been made by 3D printers, up soon. And we also got to take something home, which I'm really excited about. This is a little replica of the self-driving shuttle that we're going to be getting to ride tomorrow. But this is also made by a 3D printer. If you guys can see the little ridges, I do it like, I don't even know, not even a millimeter by millimeter with plastic, and just goes up like a regular printer, only in 3D. I don't know why I have to explain this. Not saying I do, but I just feel the need in case no one knows how that works. But just the detail in all of it, it's so cool, and I get to ride a functioning life-size version of this tomorrow, and I'm so excited to take this home as a memento. I'm also getting to hear about amazing opportunities for more workshops to participate in, which I will be doing, and I'm probably going to take you with me on those. It's just been an amazing day, and tomorrow I'm going to take you with me riding the self-driving shuttle. So yeah, it's just been amazing. I don't even really know how to describe it. But thank you guys for going on this journey with me so far. I will see you beauties for day 3. Bye guys.
Made by a printer.
This is
Tony, did you feel
it
these?
moves.
So this piece you were looking
Whoa!
at.
Oh, did I break it? I didn't break
Size
it.
measurements, so we can.
That
just
one's
print it
circular.
out. You
This
want
one's-
to test how the material.
So when you printed it out, it came like this, or did you have to put it together?
That's cool.
So you were able to print this kind of stuff?
Awesome.
I gotta see that to believe
No, I want to see. I know, like I
gotta
want to see it in motion.
You
though.
built that with
That,
some
see,
wood.
that's the whole.
Yeah. So these like, machines can
These
make a
are
very
cool.
wide variety of like different types of parts.
That
because of
looks
the
like a brain.
material capability, but not obviously.
There's a car and then this thing.
Yeah, that feels good.
This thing is so
It
cool.
must be like keyhole. You know that kind of reminds me of like the slingshot. So what's the difference between the slingshot and Walmart?
Exactly.
I love it.
Pretty
It
much.
feels plastic.
Tony, when you're done with that, hand it over. I want to see.
Like one of those cha-cha.
Yeah.
Whoa, I
See what else
broke
we
it.
got. Yeah. So
What's that one?
Compared to that one.
Wow, this is from a printer. Jeez.
It's like
That,
chainmail.
yeah, that's awesome.
No. This
What is it? What? How? How does this? What is this magic? What is this sorcery?
oh, like the
I don't understand.
yeah, the interface part.
What is
How
the
accessible
source?
really is that?
yeah. I'm not really too sure.
And is that like an app that comes specifically with each 3D
bunch
printer,
of
or
3D
is that
printer
just
stuff.
an app?
There are a lot of options out there, but the one we most commonly use is called Kira.
Here we have a fractal.
Sure, nature uses fractals. You know, like the way shells are put together and all kinds of stuff.
All
So,
kinds of little shapes.
so this next part I want to pass around.
Level 3D printers.
Sure.
Right over here, yeah. And this is not attached to anything. Not
Tiffle
plugged in.
numbers.
One.
3D printed mastodon.
This is a personal story. This is a knob to control the temperature on my truck. So fashion switches.
Another
So I went ahead and made my
mastodon
truck. I put a
bone.
power
Is this
switches on my
3D
truck. So I'll pass. And we got a hold of the company and they said, yeah, we can replace the nut, just buy a new lamp. So they wanted us to buy a new lamp for $400.
Hey guys, so day 3 has ended and it's just been amazing. It wasn't as jam-packed as 1 and 2. It was pretty much all self-driving car excitement, which I will throw clips of that all around here. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy the self-driving clips and everything. And yeah, I love you guys and I hope you can join me on the next trip I take. Bye. They told me to bring a coat. I'm in a sweatshirt. Haley doesn't listen apparently. We are now in autonomous or self-driving mode.
So that big circle they can use to simulate parking lots or other areas as they want. We're driving along what we call our highway section. It's 1,000 feet of straight road that simulates being on the highway. We do have lots of rules in M-City. One of them is you can't go super fast. The top speed you can do in M-City is on the highway, and it's only 45 miles an hour. But along the highway, we've got things like entrances and exits so you can practice. Another thing that we've done to challenge this technology is we have all kinds of different roads. You probably feel we're just about to go over a metal grate. We're on it now. And that's a challenging way to drive because there's holes in it.
And we learned.
Yeah. What happened? You don't know? Okay. You stop. So sometimes, that's all. Just for another challenging situation for testing. We're about to go through a tunnel, and it's a steel tunnel. And the reason we've got this is when you're in a tunnel, it's one of the harder cases for autonomous vehicles. The light changes from light to dark and back again, and that's challenging. And then with the steel tunnel, you lose GPS, which is one of the positioning systems. If you don't have, if the shuttle doesn't know where it is, it'll stop.
There's an emergency stop. There are dangers to riding in here.
It's like you gotta be strapped in.
This is so cool.
Oh my god.
We went on to Florida.
Warning, this vehicle does not comply with all applicable federal motor vehicle safety standards.
So have you been on a shuttle before? No. Oh my god.